concealers are the superhero of any sort of makeup regimen. So first I'm going to start with applying concealer underneath your eye area. Do you know how to pick a shade?
Not really, no.
When you want to brighten underneath the eye, so you always want to go about a half shade to a shade lighter than actually your foundation. So I'm going to use Beautycounter's Touch-Up concealer pen. And so I'm going to draw it on starting on the inside corner of your eye. And then I draw it down in these vertical inverted triangle. And I like to take one more sweep underneath the lash line. You go back with your ring finger and you want to press into the skin. After you've put the concealer on underneath, you want to make sure that you go into the inside corners of the eye, put the concealer there, and dab it in. When you're trying to conceal any imperfections, then you want to use the same shade as your foundation. Just make sure that you don't over conceal. You really want your skin and your inner beauty to shine through. Gently conceal. And then you can just feather it out or dab it a bit, and then you would take the mattify powder with the all over brush, and I just sort of lightly go in, just absorb the oil, sort of underneath the lashes. It keeps it from moving, and it also sets it so it lasts, all day. So, you feel good about concealer?
Yeah, I feel confident.
Good.